Hello, kids. Welcome to our learning channel. Today, we will learn verbs in ing form. Let's learn together and have fun. Are you ready? Let's start. I am eating an apple. I am drinking water. I am going to school. I am coming home. I am playing with a ball. I am reading a book. I am writing with a pencil. I am running fast. I am jumping high. I am singing a song. I am dancing happily. I am sleeping at night. I am talking to my friend. I am walking in the park. I am sitting on a chair. I am standing up. I am opening the door. I am closing the window. I am helping my mom. I am watching TV. Great job, kids! You are learning verbs in ing form. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.